Now it's turn for us to learn our keyboard shortcuts. So I know it will take a little bit of time to learn them, but you're gonna have from me some images where you can learn our shortcuts better. So you don't need to go with mouse, it will be so much exhausted. So let's create for us an object, and first is to drag, just to move our object. How gonna do it? Our shortcut keyboard is Control D. When we press Control D, we are able to move our object. This is the first one. If we need to rotate the same object, we have Control E. After we press Control E, we can rotate. It depends on how we need to rotate our object. The third one, it is to mirror, but for mirror I will make another object so it is better to understand, right? If we need this object to mirror, after we press Ctrl M, we can have this point like this, or down, or this one. It doesn't really matter. This comes up to you from your need, right? This was for Ctrl M mirror. To make a copy of this object, to have two objects in the same size, we need to press it. It is the same, but like it was for dragging, but we need to include another task. So Control plus Shift plus D. Control plus Shift plus D. It helps us to make another object in the same size, to copy an object. The other option, it is to rotate. How are we gonna rotate? The same, we know now, the same to rotate. It was without copy, it was Control E. So to make a copy and rotate, it is Control plus Shift plus E. Control plus Shift plus E, and we can make a copy. And also to rotate. The last one is to copy and to mirror the same object. So if we want to have another object like this one, it is Control plus Shift plus M. After we press Control plus Shift plus M, we can make another object. It depends on how we need. And right now we have two objects in the same size and same shape. This is all about copy and mirror and drag and drop, all this stuff, which is so important to be able to work with our keyboard. We can be so much faster